Tell us your name and tell us about your project.
So, my name is Edward Morley, and I am one of two scientists to work on the Michelson-Morley experiment, which was an attempt to prove the existence of ether.
Where did the project occur?
The project first took place in Germany in 1880 to 1881, and then later when I came on board in 1887, we reconducted the experiment in what is now known as Case Western Reserve University in Cleveland, Ohio.
What other significant events were happening around the world at that time?
In the time of our experiment, James Garfield was shot. Karl Marx, the Nazi philosopher, died without knowing whether ether existed or not. The Statue of Liberty arrived in New York, and the first Groundhog Day was observed in 1887.
Who else was involved in the project?
My partner, Albert Michelson, helped me conduct the experiments. He was the German physicist who first started the experiments before I came on board.
How long did the entire project take?
The entire project spanned a total of 7 years, but it was only worked on for roughly 3.5 to 4 years. But it was my idea for when we conducted the experiment the last time to wait for the Earth to rotate. So we waited 6 whole months and we redid the entire experiment and still provided no evidence of ether, thus officially nulling the theory.
What impact did your project have on the physics community?
Well, our experiment is known as one of the most helpful failed experiments in scientific history because it led to Einstein's discovery of the universal speed of light was a constant and did not have any effect on ether.